I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Groundhogg. Select a form. Contact Create. Next. Search and select Actions. Pabbly. Give here the webhook link. So visit Pabbly dashboard. Create workflow. Give a name. Create. Search a trigger webhook. Copy the webhook URL and paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose Application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Pabbly site and choose the Actions. Airtable. Choose Action Event. Create record. Connect. Add new connection. Give here token. So click on Developer Hub. Create token. Give here a token name. Add scopes. Add a base. Create token. Copy the token and paste it here. Save. Map the respective fields. Save. Go to Groundhogg dashboard and contact. Add new. Create contact. Contact created successfully. Now go to Airtable site and here you can see the data came successfully in Airtable via Pabbly. Thanks for watching.